Hi everyone, welcome back to Civil the Will. In this video, I am going to show you how can we draw the traverse map in the total station with the help of magnet field software, as well as how can we find out the angle at the point in the total station. So I'm going to show all this process with the help of magnet field software. So watch the video till to end. Let's start the video without wasting any time. So this is the one pentagon. So this is the traverse map in which we can see we can have the angle as well as we have the distance of the line. So how can we draw this map in the total station? So first of all, before drawing the traverse map in the total station, we should need to have at least 2 points. So now I am going to create this point as well as creating this point, and based on these 2 points I'm going to draw this pentagon map. So open the magnet field software, and now I want to set the units. So click on configure and click on units. So here instead of meters I want to keep the units in I change, and I want to keep the precision after the decimal point. I want to keep the 2 numbers and click on and hit I want to keep the area in square meters as well as this, and hit the tick button. So we have changed the units and click on map, and now create the point. So hold the stylus on the screen to create the point and click on create point, and now give the name with A and hit the tick button. So we have created the A point, and as well as we have to create the B point also. So hold the stylus on the screen and click on create point here and give the name B and hit the tick button. So here we have created the A point as well as the B point. So in the direction of AB point we have to create another point whose distance is from A to another cocoa point is 2 chains. So for creating that point in the direction of AB, click on calculate and click on point in direction, and here from point we need to select the A point, and instead of azimuth we need to select the 2 point, that is the B point. So in the AB line we need to create another point with the distance of 2 chains. So click on tick mark. So after giving the horizontal direction we need to give the cocoa point. I want to give the B1 as the name of the cocoa point, and click on calculate. So go to the map. So here we can see in the direction of AB a cocoa point is created, and whose the distance from A to B1 is 2 chains. So after that click on save option in order to save this B1 point. So and go to map, and now delete this B point. We don't need this B point. Click on yes. So here we have created this A point and the B point, and now we are going to create this C point. So in order to create the C point we have to use the point in direction option, in which we can give the angle. So while using the point in direction option, so whenever it asks us the from point we need to select this B point. We don't want to select this A point, because from B point only this line will create. So for that we need to select this B point in the place of from point, and the 2 point we need to select this A point. So let me show you. So after creating the 2 reference points, and go to home and click on calculate and click on point in direction, and here from point we need to select this B point. So from B point our line will continue, and the 2 point is this A point, and here we need to give the angle offset, that is the 114 degrees, and hit the tick button, and we need to give the horizontal distance, that is the 2 chains, and hit the tick button, and we need to give the cocoa point, that is the C point, and after that click on calculate and go to map. So here we can see we have calculate this C point. So in order to save the C point, hit the save button. So here go to map. So here we can see we have placed this C point. So now I'm going to find out the angle at B. So how can we find out the angle? So go to calculate and click on angles and click on corner angle, and here we need to select the start point, that is A point, and the middle point, that is the B1 point, and the end point is the C point, and after that click on calculate. So here we can see the angle left as well as angle right. So what does it means, so go to map. So here at point B1, the angle right is the angle in the right direction, so that angle is the angle right, and from point B1 the angle in left direction, and that angle is the angle left. So here we have given the angle right. So let me check the angle whether it is 114 or not. So here we can see the angle right is 114. So this is how we can check the angle at any point. So after that we have created this C point. Here we have created the A point, B point, C point. Now we will create this D point. So here also the angle is 114. Again go to calculate and click on point in direction, and now in this case the from point will become the C point, and the 2 point will become the B1 point. And now the angle offset is same 114 degrees, and the horizontal distance is also same 2 change. And now here I want to give the cocoa point, that is the D point. So hit the tick button and click on calculate and go to map. So here we can see our D point is created. In order to save this D point, click on save button. So we have saved this D point. So here we can see we have created the D point. So we have created the A point, B point, C point and D point. And now we are going to create this E point. So here we can see the angle is 90 degrees and the length is same 2 change. So let me create this E point. And here we can see the angle at E point is 131. So we will going to check this angle at E also, whether it is 131 or something else. So here now we are going to create the E point with the distance of 2 change and the angle is 90 degrees. So let me create this E point. So again click on calculate, click on point in direction, and in this case the from point will become the D point and the 2 point will become the C point, and here the angle is 90 degrees and the horizontal distance is 2 change, and the cocoa point it is the E point, and hit the tick button and click on calculate and go to map. So here we can see our E point is created. In order to save this, hit the save button. So here we can see we have saved the E point and go to map. So here we can see we have created the E point also. And now with the help of this polygon I am going to join all these points. So this is how we can able to create the traverse path. So let me check the angle at E point whether it is 131 or something else. So go to home and again click on calculate and click on angles and click on corner angle, and here the start point is the A point and the middle point is the E point and the end point is the D point, and click on calculate. Go to map. So here we can see here the angle right is 228 degrees and the angle left is 131 degrees. So click on map. So here at E the angle left is from E, so in this direction it is the angle left because we have started from A, E and D. From A to E to D we have started. In this direction the angle left become this is the angle left and the angle right will be this. So here we can see the angle left is 131. So here the angle is also 131. So this is how we can able to draw the traverse map in the total station, as well as how to check the angle at any point. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to get latest notification. Thank you so much. Love you all. Jai Hind.